morning from New York. Sabi here. Yesstyle was kind enough to send me a package that has quarantine must-haves. So they're like products that you need in order to make staying at home more fun. This is everything that Yesstyle sent me, and let's get on with this unboxing. The first thing they sent me is this foot mask from purederm Solutions. It's a peeling mask for your feet. I haven't been using lots of foot masks, to be honest with you, but I'm interested in trying this one because it's supposed to keep your feet moisturized for like 5 days after use. Look at this cute pop socket. It's a pink cloud. You can't really see it because of the tag, so I'm just gonna take it out from this bag. So here it is, and I've been wanting to get a pop socket. Look, it looks so cute when you like attach it on the back of my phone, because the case that like my phone currently has is quite like slippery, and I'm always afraid of like dropping my phone. So having this pop socket will prevent that, and it's also good for like when you take photos outside and it's windy, because it's been like quite windy in New York this past few days. So this will help me not drop my phone. And I like that, you know, it's like cute because like the pop sockets that I have seen here in New York are not this cute. So, and I'll also add here like a screenshot of the other pop sockets available on the Yesstyle website. Oh, look at this. So this is like a towel that you use after you wash your hair. I never owned something like this before. I just use, you know, like a regular towel that I just wrapped around my head. But this one, oh, it's so soft, and I like the color too. So how are you supposed to do it? Well, all the instructions are in Japanese and I don't speak Japanese, so we'll just have to wing this. I think you just like put it like this.
Eternity later.
Okay, I did it off camera, and this is what it looks like. The towel, I actually like it, and because I have short hair, I feel like the size of this towel is perfect for drying my hair. And speaking of bathroom, they also sent me a headband. I love using headbands when I do my skincare because it really keeps all my hair like out of my face. Oh, look at this cute one. Those are like rabbit ears, and it's like so soft. Let's see what I look like. I feel like this is my third hairband that I own, and you can even like adjust the ears so they're like up here. Oh, and it matches with what I'm wearing. Okay, on to the next. I also got this facial cleaning brush, so I can use this after I apply my cleanser, and it's pink, so it matches with the rest of my outfit. This is quite funny. But actually pink is one of my favorite colors. So this is the brush. I also like that it comes with this, so you can like, you know, like hold it better with this. If you like use it like this. And this is like, you know, made out of plastic, and this is like synthetic hair, so it's not like actual hair.
It easily removes the cleanser on the face, and it also feels smooth when I'm using it.
They also sent me a massage roller. So I've been trying to get actually to learn how to like massage my face and to do all those like exercises for like cheeks and also like your nose, but also here like under the chin, because I saw some exercises on TikTok. But now that I have this tool, I can actually like do them better. But this is mostly for your chin area, so it goes like this. You can do this like you know, before you go to bed, and it helps like with this area to like this fat in this area to like go away. And I also like the design. You see, those are like flowers. So yeah, I like it, and it feels quite relaxing that I'm doing this now. Those are slippers, and they're also bunny themed, so it goes with my headband, and they're pink too. So this is what they look like. So here are the last two things that I received from Yesstyle. I'll start with the t-shirt. So it's a t-shirt in here, like a dark gray. It says Captain on it. The fabric is like, you can tell that it's not cotton, it's like synthetic. So I'll be trying this on so you can have a better idea of what it looks like on me.
I don't like the stitching on this t-shirt. As you can see, it's not very well done, but it's very comfy, the t-shirt overall.
And here we have some fashion sexy lounge. I'm joking, those are just pants, but I guess that's like the name of the product. And these are in color black. So this is what they look like. And here on the side, sorry, it says Rockmore. So I'll also be trying these on, and I also like that they have like pockets here. Like, I wish they had, you know, like on the side, but no, it's only like, yeah. So they, oh, actually they do like right here, like here on the side, but also they have like back pockets. So I'll be trying these on and I'll come back.
The pants are baggy and comfy.
That was all for quarantine must-haves. Thank you again, Yesstyle, for sending me this lovely package. I can wait to use and wear all the products. And don't forget to check out the description box where I'll be linking all the products mentioned in the video, and also use my code SABII10 for that sweet discount when you place an order with Yesstyle. So I'm gonna wrap up the video here, and thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.